Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever wondered what makes you especially appealing to younger women, but felt unsure about what really works? Today, we're going to break down the social skills that can significantly boost your attractiveness. These are practical, actionable skills that involve how you communicate, present yourself, and connect with women who are younger than you. Don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's an essential piece of advice for refining your social skills. Make sure to stick around for it. Before we explore today's topic, if you're open to transforming your dating strategies, click on the link below for a free 60-minute coaching call with one of our experts. Ready to amplify your social appeal? Let's get into these transformative skills. 1. Excellent communication. Excellent communication is more than just talking. It's about truly connecting. Listening attentively and engaging in meaningful conversations are crucial. Younger women particularly value when you actually hear what they're saying, not just waiting for your turn to speak. This means tuning into more than words. Notice the tone, the pauses, the unspoken emotions. When you respond, it's not about showing off your own knowledge or experiences, but building on what she shares, showing genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. Clear and considerate communication shows respect and appreciation for her perspective. It's about clarity, saying what you mean and ensuring you are understood without being patronizing. It's also crucial to be aware of how your messages are being received. If she seems confused or uninterested, don't plow ahead. Adjust your approach. Ask questions to draw her out and make sure the conversation is a two-way street. This kind of exchange doesn't just help you get to know each other better, it builds a foundation of trust and mutual respect. It shows that you're not just interested in a superficial connection, but are ready to engage deeply. And remember, good communication is often less about grand gestures and more about the small, everyday interactions that let her know she's valued and understood. So, keep your conversations light and engaging, show that you care, and watch how your connections grow stronger. 2. Confidence and self-assurance. Confidence is magnetic, especially when it comes to attracting younger women. It's not about boasting or being overly assertive. Rather, it's about being comfortable in your own skin and with your life's journey. This self-assurance is appealing because it communicates stability and experience. When you're confident, it shows you've navigated life's ups and downs and come out knowing yourself better. This type of confidence isn't loud. It's a quiet certainty you carry about who you are and what you stand for. Younger women often find this appealing because it contrasts with the uncertainty they might feel at a different stage in their lives. Your assurance provides a sense of security and a promising contrast to the more exploratory and sometimes chaotic energy of youth. Being comfortable with your life experiences also means you don't sweat the small stuff. This can be incredibly appealing as it suggests a relationship with you would be free from trivial dramas. Your calm demeanor in the face of challenges shows that you handle issues with a level head, providing a sense of safety and dependability that can be very attractive. Remember, confidence is shown through actions as much as words. It's in the way you handle a mix-up at a restaurant, how you talk about your achievements without bragging, and even in your willingness to laugh at yourself. Each of these displays a depth of character that younger women are often drawn to. 3. Embracing emotional maturity. This is a game changer in relationships, especially with younger women who are drawn to the stability it brings. Emotional maturity means you handle feelings, conflicts, and relationship dynamics with wisdom and patience. This isn't about never having disagreements or moments of frustration. Rather, it's about managing these situations without escalating conflicts or resorting to pettiness. For younger women, your ability to navigate the emotional landscape of a relationship with maturity provides a reassuring sense of security. They see a partner who won't just react impulsively, but will think things through and prioritize the health of the relationship. This quality is especially attractive because it suggests that being with you means having a supportive and steady partner, not just during easy times, but also through challenges. Your emotional maturity also means you're likely better at expressing your feelings clearly and listening to your partner's needs. You know that good relationships are built on mutual respect and understanding, and you're equipped to provide that. This doesn't just make you a good partner, it makes you a desirable one. Emotional maturity lets you create a safe space for open, honest communication and deep connection, which are the pillars of any strong relationship. Younger women often find this depth and stability refreshing and alluring, as it contrasts with the more tumultuous relationships they might have experienced with less mature partners. This foundational aspect of your character shows that you're not just involved, you're committed to making it work. 4. Leading with experience. Your wealth of life experiences isn't just a series of stories, it's a toolkit that can intrigue and captivate younger women. When you share your experiences, Whether they're travel adventures, professional achievements, or personal insights, you're offering more than just tales. You're providing lessons and perspectives that are both enlightening and appealing. Younger women often find this depth fascinating. Your experiences provide a glimpse into a world they might not yet know, filled with wisdom and lessons learned along the way. When you talk about the places you've been, the changes you've seen, or the hurdles you've overcome, it's not just recounting history. It's sharing a roadmap of resilience and adaptability. Moreover, when you impart your wisdom, it shows you're not just interested in sharing your past, but also in enhancing someone else's future. This can make your conversations not only interesting, but also incredibly valuable. It turns every chat into an opportunity for growth and discovery, making the connection deeper and more significant. What makes this truly captivating for younger women is the combination of your knowledge with a willingness to share it. It shows that you value their growth and development as much as your own. So, as you lead with your experiences, remember, it's not just about what you've done, but how you relate those experiences back to the world she lives in now. This relevance is key to not just sharing a story, but creating a bond. Hope you're enjoying the video and feeling motivated to enhance your dating skills. Our free 60-minute strategy call is tailored to help individuals like you who are ready to make real changes. During the call, you'll gain insights into developing a personal dating style, techniques for effective communication, and ways to build confidence that makes a difference. Don't wait. Click the link in the pinned comment to reserve your session. 5. Physical fitness and health. Maintaining physical health and an active lifestyle is not just about looking good. It's about feeling energetic and staying aligned with younger partners who likely value vigor and vitality. Being in good physical shape means you can join in on activities that require physical effort, whether it's a spontaneous hiking trip, an adventurous travel plan, or simply a long walk in the city. It shows that you're not just alive, but fully living. Staying active also sends a powerful message about your approach to life. It suggests you're committed to taking care of yourself and value longevity and wellness. This can be incredibly attractive to younger women, as it implies you're likely to be a vibrant, active partner, not just now, but in the future. It's not about bench pressing your body weight or running marathons unless that's your thing. It's about regular, consistent activity that keeps you at your best. Moreover, a focus on fitness and health can be contagious. It often encourages those around you to also live healthier lives. This can be particularly appealing to someone younger, as it creates a shared journey towards health that can be both bonding and motivating. So, keep moving, stay active, and prioritize your health. It's a cornerstone of attraction that resonates on multiple levels, not just physically, but also in the energy and zest for life you bring to the relationship. This alignment with the dynamism of youth can make all the difference. 6. Showing genuine interest in her world. Showing genuine interest in her world is more than just keeping up with the latest trends. It's about truly entering her space and seeing life from her perspective. This involves more than a passive nod to the things she enjoys. It's about active engagement. Whether it's the latest music, trending technology, or popular culture, showing that you're willing to explore her interests can significantly deepen your connection. Embracing the hobbies and passions of younger women isn't just about making conversation. It's about sharing experiences that are important to her. This might mean listening to new genres of music together, trying out a food trend, or even participating in activities like gaming or outdoor adventures that she enjoys. This not only keeps your relationship vibrant and interesting, but also shows that you value her happiness and are keen to be part of her world. Moreover, by understanding and participating in things that matter to her, you demonstrate flexibility and openness. Younger women often appreciate when their partner steps out of their comfort zone and joins them in their own. This willingness to adapt and embrace new things is itself a youthful trait, and it helps bridge any generational gap that might exist. Thus, take the time to ask about her interests, and more importantly, involve yourself in them. This shows that your interest is genuine and that you're committed to not just being a spectator in her life, but an active participant. This engagement is key to building a lasting, fun, and dynamic relationship. Bonus tip: authenticity in interactions. Being authentic means staying true to yourself, while also respecting and appreciating the youth and vibrancy of your younger partner. This authenticity is vital. It's the glue that binds any genuine connection, transcending age differences and deepening trust. When you're authentic, you're not pretending to be someone you're not just to match her energy or interests. Instead, you bring your genuine self to every conversation and interaction. This doesn't mean you don't embrace new experiences or change aspects of your lifestyle. Rather, It's about integrating these new experiences into your life in a way that remains true to your values and personality. Being real with your partner also means being honest about what you're thinking and feeling. It invites open communication and mutual respect, which are foundational for any relationship's longevity and depth. For a younger woman, seeing that you are comfortable in your own skin and confident in your life choices can be incredibly appealing. It shows her that you are a secure, stable presence in her life, someone who can provide both adventure and safety. So, let your genuine self shine through in every interaction. This honesty will not only make you more attractive, but also create a space for a meaningful, lasting relationship that respects both your maturity and her youth. By fostering this level of sincerity, you help ensure that the connection you build together is not just exciting, but also enduring. So now you know social skills that make younger women obsess over you. What's next for you? Discover 7 signs you're a fascinating older man, or learn 6 social skills that make younger women addicted to older men. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.